So I want to start by creating a report that shows how much sales that we've had over the years. Okay, so the first thing I want to do is I need to have an end view of how to manage this my real estate. So this is the canvas, remember? So I want to manage this my canvas and I need to have a plan. And my plan is I think I want to use only 4 visuals on this canvas. I don't want to put too much on the canvas. So usually I recommend between 4 to 6 visuals on a single page. So I want to go with 4 visuals here now. So since I'm going to be going with 4 visuals and I am an advocate of laziness, so what I want to do is I want to make sure that the 4 visuals are going to be of equal sizes. So right from the first visual I create, I will set that tone in place. Okay, so since I want to create a report that has to do with time period, so I'm doing sales by years, or let's say sales by month rather. So I want to do sales by month and I want to view that across all the several years. Okay, so sales by month has to do with the time period. The best visual I can use for that is a line chart. So what I'll do is I'll click on the line chart from my visualizations pane first. Once I do that, you see it right here on my visual. So I'm gonna drag it down a little bit. Okay, so I want something that looks like this. Then I'm gonna expand it to the right until I have something somewhere close to the middle. Then I want to drag it down a little bit like this, just to make sure that all my visuals are gonna be of the same size basically. Okay, so I have something like this and I want to view my sales. So I'll just come to my fields pane here and check the box for sales. So what am I viewing sales by? I want to view sales by months. So I'll come back here to where I have my order date. So initially my order date is going to be collapsed like this. So I'll just expand order date. Then I'll expand the date hierarchy as well. Then I can pick my month. So once I pick month, you can see I have my sales January up until December, right? But since I want different lines for different years, so this is basically the January to December of all the years I have within my data. But I want to see different lines for all the different years so I can see the trend as it looks like over the years. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll come back to my fields pane here and I'm gonna drag here and drop it on legend. So doing this simply means I want this my line to split by year. So once I drag lines and place on legend, I can now see I have my 2014, 2015, 2016 and 2017 all on my visual. Okay, so this is my report for sales by months and also by years. Some of the things you may not like about these charts, probably you want to talk about the font size or different things to edit on the chart elements. We are going to do that in the next video.